Did you know it's possible to make money from your first YouTube video? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money before 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, my name is Natalie and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools and resources for you to be successful online. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money literally from posting your first YouTube video. So before I get into these strategies, I just want to speak a little bit about YouTube's partner program. So in order to qualify for YouTube's partner program, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. What happens when you create and upload these videos onto YouTube, you'll notice that there are ads that are being shown before your video or throughout your video that you have created. Now, companies, brands, and people will pay for the ads to be shown across your video, and that's how you earn from YouTube's partner program. It's also known as AdSense. So let's work on an average and say you'll earn $1 for every 1,000 views. Your latest video did really well, you got 5,000 views, you have now earned $5 from YouTube. So basically you need a large amount of subscribers and a large amount of watch time to be able to earn a generous amount of income from YouTube every single month. Now, if you're just starting, it is going to take time to get those subscribers and to get the watch time that you need, but there are other ways to monetize your channel before you get to that AdSense revenue. Now, I'm not listing these out in any particular order, but all of them are absolutely amazing, and I will give you examples of how you can do it or use it within any category or business or niche. So option number one is crowdfunding, and you're basically calling upon your audience and your community to pitch in and assist when it comes to the funds being raised. Now, with regards to crowdfunding, you do need to have an idea that's compelling enough to make them want to donate money towards your project. So I just want to give you an example of a channel that's on YouTube that does this really well, and I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with Yes Theory, but they often refer to their audience and their community to donate money towards or to crowdfund towards different projects that they have. The latest crowdfunding project that they have is their Iceman project, which is a documentary, and people are donating towards that. So just to give you an idea, when we go into the actual description, you'll see they have over here an opportunity to become part of making and releasing of this film, and people click on that link that they have, and it leads them to the page where they can donate in different amounts. So you'll see with their Iceman project, there are tons of packages that you can choose from to be part of this project, and it gives them different options. It doesn't also necessarily need to be different packages, but it just gives you a general idea. So option number two is to license your content. Let's say you create a viral video and there's mass appeal to it. You can then monetize that content and sell it to the media. Now you can also list your media on different marketplaces. Make sure that they're trusted, and this way brands and people can find the content that's specific to them. There are also instances where companies who are privately owned might reach out to you and say, hey, we love the content that you've created. We'd love to use it in a promo video or an ad. Can we pay you to use your content? Now, we do have another YouTube channel, and when we started this channel, we had no intention of going into the licensing of content path, if I can say that. But we did have a brand that actually reached out to us, or a media company that reached out to us, and they were looking for specific video footage. And when they reached out to us, we then sold them the content that they can use for their promotional video. So just to give you an example, if you have a look over here, the content that we used or that we shot for this video was then used for someone else's promo video. Now, the awesome thing is we created this content because we wanted to have videos and content to upload to our YouTube channel, not necessarily intending for someone else to buy that or to want to use the video footage that we had gotten, but we had made at least 250 euros just off small pieces of this video that they had used in one of their promotion videos. Now, next option is fan funding. It's very similar to our previous description of crowdfunding, but you can use sites such as Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee, and people can donate towards your channel to keep your channel going on those sites. So a lot of times your community or your subscribers might be interested in the type of content that you have to create, and they know that it takes time out of your day and that it will take a certain amount of money for you to be able to keep the channel going. So they can then donate towards keeping this project going or keeping this channel going. And you can have monthly subscriptions on Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee, and they can donate towards your channel. So about halfway through our different strategies, and if you're loving the idea so far, remember to leave a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of our community, remember to click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all the latest content we have. Now, the next idea is what Purely Remote is built around, and that is affiliate marketing. So we basically leverage off other people's products. We don't have to create any products. We don't have to deal with any of the shipping or the dealing of customers. We create content revolving around other people's products, and we put the link to those products in our description. When people click on those links, it then automatically redirects them to the product, and we make a commission every time they buy. Now, no matter what niche you're in, you can find an affiliate product. And just to prove to you and show you can find something in almost every niche, I wanted to show you this YouTube channel we have over here. It is called Postal Barbecue. So they post videos on different barbecue recipes. They also review different barbecues and tell you what they think or their recommendation is on those products. So I'm going to go into just one of his random videos over here and show you exactly how they do it. So if we look at the description, you'll see they have a link over here to, I think it's Amazon shop. And if we go into the Amazon shop itself, you will see all of his recommendations. So we have barbecue thermometers, grills, video gear that he uses to record his videos, different rubs that he has. So he's literally making money from Amazon every time someone purchases a barbecue through his link. The point I'm trying to drive home here, it doesn't matter what niche you're in, you can find a product that you can promote and make money from that product irrespective of the niche. So some of the ideas of videos that you can create are tutorials. You can create reviews. What is the best makeup for 2022 or the best tech programs that you can use in 2022. Comparison videos. So let's say you are in the tech industry and you're comparing two different types of cameras. That is really good video content to have up there, and you can use affiliate links in your description to help lead people to those products. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Purely Remote focuses mostly on affiliate marketing. There is an amazing beginner's fundamental step-by-step training that we will be linking down in the description below for you guys. And the best thing is it is 3 days. It's actually shorter than 3 days if you have the time to complete it, but check out the training that we have down there for you guys below. Now, our next option is to sell something, whether it's your own product or maybe you want to make use of drop shipping options. You can create t-shirts, mugs. For this guy that was doing the barbecue tutorial earlier, he has created his own shop of spices. So he sells spices and links his followers or his subscribers to his shop in his description as well. And the last strategy or suggestion I want to give you is through brand deals. Now, there is a big misconception that you do need to have a huge YouTube channel before people will start reaching out to you, but we've actually had people reach out to us to review their products, and our channel is still very, very small. Not only in this one, but on other channels that we have as well. So when you niche down, that helps brands to clearly know who your target audience is and for them to want to be working with you because you are bringing value to your subscribers. So I did promise you guys at the beginning of this video that I'm going to be sharing a power tip with you, and that is to build multiple income streams around your YouTube channel. So not focusing on getting to that AdSense where you can be monetized, but saying, this is my niche and how am I going to monetize that? Can I do it through affiliate marketing? Can I do it through selling products? Can I do it through brand deals? And basically reverse engineering your channel so that way you already know what avenues you're going down before you're starting a channel and creating content around that idea. Now, if you want to make YouTube your full-time career and you do want to go down that pathway and you actually want to see some success and learn strategies of how you can best optimize your YouTube channel, we will be leaving a link down in the description to a YouTube course that we did that we absolutely love. So I hope that you'll be trying at least one of these 6 strategies before you get to your 1,000 subscribers to start bringing some money in from your YouTube channel. As much as we'd love love sharing information with people, we also want to be making sure that we're monetizing and that we're seeing some sort of reward from these videos, right? So leave us a comment down below on which strategy you think you're going to be implementing into your YouTube channel or your YouTube journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found some value from it, remember to leave a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of our community, we'd love to see you on board. So click that subscribe button. But until next time, my name is Natalie, and thanks for hanging out with me, guys.